DX NetOps Manager brings together the fault, performance, and flow data from multiple data sources such as DX Spectrum, Network Flow Analysis, and DX Performance Management. Therefore, it can get the same device information from multiple sources. It's important to get these devices reconciled and single device information shown to the end user. Watch this video to understand how DX NetOps Managers fetches monitoring data from various sources, the logic it applies for reconciliation, and how it gets displayed to the end user. Let's begin by exploring the data sources. Click on the bell icon available on the NetOps portal. Click on the System Health drop-down to navigate to the System Status page. Here, expand Data Aggregator. Note, the Data Aggregator is part of DX Performance Management, or the DX NetOps Manager, which collects fault data from DX Spectrum, flow data from Network Flow Analysis, and modern network data from DX Virtual Network Assurance. The reconciliation happens within the Data Aggregator. To check the data sources, click Administration and then navigate to Data Sources. Let's select DX Spectrum and click Edit. The Edit Data Source dialog appears. Observe the checkbox indicating Contribute Inventory to Data Aggregator is enabled. This means DX Spectrum as a data source is sending inventory to Data Aggregator. Similarly, let's check the data source of Network Flow Analysis. Observe here also the checkbox indicating Contribute Inventory to Data Aggregator is enabled. This means Network Flow Analysis as a data source is sending flow to Data Aggregator. Once the Data Aggregator receives the inventory, it needs to be reconciled. Otherwise, the end user will see multiple devices with the same IP showing up in the inventory, and that will result in a mismatch across fault, performance, and flow. Now let's see how the rules are set to perform the reconciliation of the data. Note, here the devices have multiple IPs. For example, one device's primary IP is the secondary IP for another device. Again, the system name for the two devices are the same. So if we do not have inventory reconciliation rules set, there is a potential chance of having multiple devices showing up for a single device. To avoid such an instance, rules are set to compare the IPs and system name, and if a match is found, it's considered a duplicate and creates only one device item. Now, let's explore another scenario. Observe here the primary IP of one device is appearing in the device IP table for another device. This may happen when a single physical device is discovered by SNMP, DXVNA, or DX Mediation Manager. In this situation, inventory reconciliation avoids duplicates and creates only one device item. There could be a situation where an IP of a pingable device is found in another managed device's IP table. So it's a case of device duplication, and data reconciliation will not create a pingable device item. In this way, logic behind inventory reconciliation is set to ensure a single device item is displayed, even though separate inventories are coming from separate sources in DX NetOps Manager. After reconciliation of inventories, a single inventory with all the aligned metrics are displayed to the users. To view how the end user will view the inventory, let's navigate to the Alarm console. Now let's select a device that has an alarm and scroll down. Here you can view the alarm details, interfaces, and events. Double-click the device. Observe it shows the performance data, availability trends, and events. You can even drill down further to view specifics of performance management. In this way, the same inventory discovered by multiple sources are reconciled, and a single device with all fault, performance, and flow information is displayed to the end user in the NetOps portal by DX NetOps Manager. Thank you for watching this video. For more detailed information about this product, click the information bubble in the top right corner to load the product page. From there you can visit product documentation, support, communities, or see the learning paths.